Thank you for giving me my dream wedding and my dream wedding venue. It's even better than what I dreamed it to be. I still can't believe that I'm not dreaming anymore, that this is reality.
You say I'm the only one you'll never be without. I found you're the only one worth ever singing about. Will you write my name in your heart? Write my name in your heart. The strangers among us crumble, all we figure.
Thank you for giving me a second family. I cannot thank you and the Lord enough for still granting my wish to have a lot of siblings.
And you write my name.
I remember before, when I was still an only child, I would ask Mom and Dad to buy me a kapatid from SM. Today, I will officially have 6, and they were all for free.
Oh, wow, talaga ito the last date. Ang dami ng surprise.
Hi, Miss Manguiat. Please indulge me to call you this one last time, as you shall soon be Mrs. Lukban. Wherever you are, that is where I want to be. Your arms are where I seek refuge, and I hope it's okay with you that I have made my heart your home.
Will you write my name in your heart? Write my name in your heart. You write my name
No more long traffic travels just so you could see me. No more risky and half-asleep car rides because you still have to drive me home. No more good morning and good night texts because you are the person I'm with before I close my eyes and when I wake up. Cheers!
Nothing really matters. She's okay, and I'm alright. She's away, I'm up all night. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters. See her face in my mind. Sees the day whenever she's nearby. It's like nothing really matters. No, nothing really matters. She completes me, it's how she reads me right around. my own. So clear she's all that I need, all I need. Yeah. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. Swimming through the stars when I see her, and I don't need it 'cause I breathe her. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. Yeah. I breathe her, breathe her.
You are all that I've prayed for and more. Being here in this very moment, this very second, makes me glad that we sat together in class out of our own free will and appreciate the beauty and awesomeness of God's plan for us. I love you so much, Marie Therese Arboleda Manguiat. That's all there is to it.
I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. Swimming through the stars when I see her, and I don't need it 'cause I breathe her. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. Yeah, I breathe her, breathe her. Every time I see her, every time I see her, every time I see her, whoa, every time I see her, oh, she's okay and I'm alright. She's away, I'm up all night. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters.